Striking the right balance for productivity in the workplace can always be a challenge. With so many new tools, platforms, and methods competing for our attention each day, it's easy to get overwhelmed with the amount of options that are out there to help you keep your workday on track. Microsoft 365 provides you with all of the tools that you need to work, communicate, and collaborate with your team each day. With a subscription to Office 365, you immediately gain access to over 25 tools, all working together to help you work smarter, not harder. Today's episode of SeedSpark Sessions is going to dive into the most popular tools included in this suite and explain the value of having these at your fingertips each time you walk into the office. First, we have Word. This is your tried and true word processing workhorse. From notes to newsletters, Word has always been the right tool for the job. Over the years, more bells and whistles have been added that have improved the way that users are able to collaborate. With live editing, sharing, and cloud-based document storage, Word has become an even better version of that app that you type papers on back in college. Excel is always going to be a major part of every workplace, especially for those that are capturing data. Data is a major part of the modern workplace, providing insight into not only the work we are doing, but how it's done and how we can do it better. Microsoft has introduced artificial intelligence to Excel, giving users unparalleled insight into data analytics that help collect information and inform users to help better plan for the future. Of course, we couldn't talk about Microsoft Office without talking about Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you are new to the world of PowerPoint or a longtime slide design pro, the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint provides the tools you need to create beautiful, informative slides to inform, entertain, and share information with your audience. With hundreds of pre-built themes, support for a variety of media, and so much more, the future of PowerPoint has never been brighter. Next, we have one that is very significant in 2020, Microsoft Teams. Staying in touch with your team has never been simpler. Microsoft has provided the ultimate tool for file sharing, communication, and collaboration on any scale. From one-to-one conversations to events featuring thousands of participants, Teams provides the ultimate platform to help keep your groups invested and tuned in to the task at hand with in-app document editing, video and audio calling, Outlook integrations, and more. Now working directly with Microsoft Teams is Outlook. In a way, it's kind of like peanut butter to jelly or yin to yang. Even with thousands of communication tools in today's modern tech space, the workplace can't shake the good old email. Thankfully, with the rise of Microsoft Teams came a slew of improvements to Outlook, including integrations with Teams itself that make it the email platform of the future to ensure you will never miss a message. From college classrooms to conference calls, OneNote has tools to jot, draw, doodle, and type important information that can be saved in OneDrive and referenced later from any device. Share notes with your classmates, send a recipe to your neighbor, and keep everything tucked away for the future through the safety and security of the cloud. In my own experience, I used OneNote throughout my entire college career, from freshman year all the way until senior graduation, and I can confirm it does store everything, keeps you organized, and keeps everyone in your group in the know. Of course, every app that we've talked about today is all brought together with OneDrive. You can think of OneDrive as the glue that holds the entire Microsoft family together. This cloud-based storage technology provides space for file storage, secure backups, confidential company communication, and more. Easily access your most important files from anywhere in the world, whether on a computer or on a mobile device, without having to worry about an external hard drive getting corrupted or emailing large files between team members. Of course, through all of these apps, there are so many tasks that we are trying to tackle each day. That is where Microsoft ToDo comes in. We've all been there. You're out on a run and suddenly you remember that you need to email your client tomorrow morning, run to the store for kitty litter, and finish processing this month's reports. Never let your to-dos fall through the cracks again with Microsoft ToDo, a checklist that keeps you in check each and every day, housed directly in Outlook, not to mention on your mobile device. These are just a small selection of the many Microsoft applications that are all baked into the Microsoft 365 family. Recently, Windows employees have been shuffled around through company reorganization efforts under Chief Product Officer Panos Panay, who gives us a glimpse at the future of what Microsoft has in store. Their ultimate goal is ubiquity and synergy between hardware and software, with both sides coming together to create a platform of the future, all built on Windows. An internal memo collected via The Verge signals three distinct goals. Number 1. Deliver iconic experiences across Microsoft, lighting up both modern work and life. Number 2. Grow the business of Windows and Surface, delivering the best of Microsoft and creating end-user pull. And number 3, lead the industry through innovation and technology, enabling Microsoft's ecosystem of partners to thrive. As the future continues to come into greater focus, it is clear that Microsoft and its partners are focused not on creating one program that runs well on a small family of devices, but rather an entire fleet of software that runs well across all ecosystems and devices worldwide to help you get work done easier, smarter, and faster than ever before. If you want to learn more about getting started with Microsoft 365 in your organization, our team at SeedSpark is ready to get you started on the right foot. You can drop us a line at hello@seedspark.com or contact our sales team at 980-279-5589 to learn more about the first steps and how we can help boost your business. Thanks for taking time to check out this episode of SeedSpark Sessions. If you're new here and you enjoyed what you heard, be sure to subscribe on podcast services, or of course you can find the show on YouTube as well. Links to those pages and our social media channels will be down below, or you can always hit us up on the official SeedSpark website for more information on the topics we covered, or to learn more about the services we offer. But we look forward to seeing you on the next episode.